Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll be showing you how to reset network preferences on iPhone 16e. Let's begin. All you want to do is simply go to Settings, then you want to hit General, and then you want to scroll all the way down into Transfer or Reset iPhone. In here you can click Reset at the bottom. And here you have different options to choose from. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be choosing Reset Network Settings. So we simply hit it. Now we have to input our password. And now we want to click Reset Network Settings. And the iPhone will basically restart. And after a while, it should back up on in any moment now. And yeah, the settings are successfully reset, but the iPhone sadly died with an honorable death. Just kidding, it have to turn on by itself. So after a while it should turn on. But hey, you can see this beautiful Apple logo. Bet you never saw that, huh? And as you can see now, we aren't even connected to Wi-Fi because the network got reset and everything is gone. Everything network related is gone forever. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.